YouTube. YouTube has red and white on the logo. You know what else has red and white? That's right, candy canes. The play button is a triangle. You know what else is a triangle? That's right, a billiards rack. What does billiards rack have to do with videos, you asked? Comes to nothing. They both are triangles. Triangles have three sides. The billiards rack has 15 balls. Three times 15 equals 45. What's so special about the number 45? That's right. The last number in the N column in bingo. $45 divided by 15 equals 3. There are three sides in the triangle. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. There's one eye in the Illuminati, so YouTube play button is Illuminati confirmed.